Hey everyone, this is Kevin, and this is the real way to make money online. Last week I didn't do anything because it was 4th of July weekend, and I record all the videos over the weekend. A few days ago, 4, maybe 5, Amazon announced we're able to do iPhone and Samsung cases now. It's starting with the higher tiers as always, and working its way down, so I don't have the cases approved yet, but I can still make the designs because they have given us the templates. You can get that from your merch dashboard. So what I did was come over to Amazon in incognito mode. That'll give you a better search result. Typed in iPhone cases and scrolled down till I saw this guy here. 6000 BSRs. Pretty well, 68 is better, but that does not look homemade. 6000 is really good. 300 clear. Can't do that. 586 you can do floral patterns, which is really easy. You just drop the pattern over the template and call it done. This, oh, I wish that wouldn't happen. 872 for a strawberry that's being called a wildflower. These are pretty easy. Just a mix of shape tools and pen tools. Another floral. What was that BSR? 837. So those easy ones are doing good. Plain black, 89. Easy. Easy to make. It was a checkered, black on black checkered. I have a PopSocket like that. No sales. This one we got white on the bottom, black on the top. Some kind of rose color border for the granite. So we go here to designer. Control N brings up the new document. I already made a template. I think somewhere. There it is. Now to make this template, I just opened the new document, 1800 by 3200 pixels. Then grab the template from a saved file and stretch it out till the borders reached around. Now you can see iPhone is green. That's the safe zone. A little bit bigger than Samsung safe zone with the purple. Very small. Text is going to be difficult. Maybe not impossible. Like if you did a horse and said, I'm just a girl who loves horses, that would be hard. Maybe you have to just put, I heart horses, or I heart and leave the horse. But to make that case that we showed on there, well, before we do that, so let's grab our first box. It says to go outside the lines, so let's do that. Make that white. Control J to duplicate. V for the move tool. Pop that right up there. Color it black. Now, because we need to see what's going on under there, we'll change the opacity so we can see the lines. Don't need to see the safe zone for this. So then we need a triangle. Two ways you can do it. use a triangle tool. Hold down Shift. That looks big enough. V, move tool. No, that is not big enough. And then I have to eyeball the center. Right there. Find a nice rose color. I think it was rose gold, but we can't really say that. And this needs to be at the top. There we go. I'm going to duplicate this. Make it a little smaller. Hold down Shift. Change that color. Looks good right there. Now to come here. This looks like what I'm looking for. Okay, take this, drop it right inside the green. That forms a mask. You pull it down and a little to the right and it'll go inside the layer. So now we can turn these back up. Jeez, not 1200. It's as simple as that. You know what? When they said outside the lines, I think they meant all this. Let's go ahead and do that. There we go. Now the whole template's covered. And so, we're going to have to... Hey! Bring this out too. Come on, a little farther. There. Now it's done. I won't have to worry about any of this. It will be exported without it. Go JPEG so we can see it. There are some files there I'll have to blur out. That's okay. There it is. Without the stuff on the over the edges. And if we take a look at working. This one goes down a lot further. That can be played with later. I wouldn't upload this, by the way. It's a pretty close copy. Too close. Too close. Just showing how easy it is. Not quite as easy as slapping down a floral background, but still pretty simple. 1, 2, 3, 4 shapes and an image. Nothing to it. But you can do different designs inside there. Like, get rid of this. Find a different photo. And drop it inside the pink one. Nope, inside the green one. That might be different enough. Maybe change one of these colors too. You can scale with this too, since all you're doing is changing photos. See how this looks. Yeah, that's pretty cool. And you can move it to place it how you like, but I kind of liked it where it was. It might be a keeper. Match the gold ball in there. Yeah, that could be a keeper. I've heard a lot of people are taking their PopSocket designs and moving them right over to the phone cases. There are PopSockets with some text, so, and they're a lot smaller than the phone cases, so maybe you can get some text on these, but we shall see. That's got some text. Let's see how it goes. No, I don't like all that black up there, or whatever solid color you choose. Ah, right there. A cloud tool. Instead of Control J to duplicate, hold down Alt and boom. Let's learn that. Watching another video. And then double star. Yeah. Hold down Shift. Green. Come on, yellow. Oh, wait. There's yellow right there. That might work. So I've got two on this one template. That's going to be confusing. But yeah, I'll probably upload this too. See what happens, but ooh, don't like that at all. Better. Actually, this has to move up one. The template was showing. Yeah, probably do a blue and black. Any other color look good? No. The text looks readable. That should be okay. So that's it for this week. If you like what you saw, leave a like down below. Subscribe, and I'll see you next week.